This is North Texas Weather Center with your latest 3-minute forecast, and temperatures out there this morning definitely mild out there, just like yesterday morning. All of us are really sitting in the 50s across North Texas, some low to mid 60s down to the south, and it will be a humid day as well, so just keep that in mind. You likely will not need a fleece jacket today. Temperatures by lunchtime, all of us will be in the 70s, it looks like, maybe a few upper 60s just west of I-35, and eventually by about 3 o'clock this afternoon, all of us will warm up comfortably into the low to mid 70s across North Texas. A lot of cloud cover will also be in the air this afternoon, mainly due to the fact we might have some showers and storms tonight. Some may actually be severe as well, so we do have a marginal risk of severe weather as of Thursday night in North Texas. This forecast is being recorded a little bit early, so as of at least when I'm recording this forecast, it's a marginal risk that could go up to a slight risk. I'm not going to rule that out, but as of right now, chance for damaging winds, large hail, and maybe an isolated tornado or two will all be possible Friday night into Saturday morning. Let's take a look at the future radar. Nothing crazy today in terms of showers or anything like that. We might have a few like light rain, drizzle patches kind of moving through North Texas. Nothing significant though by any means. We'll see that going throughout the afternoon. Some of us, during the rush hour, you might also see some areas of light rain falling. Don't rule that out. Just kind of don't be shocked. It will not be anything more than just a light rain. But we will start to see more showers and storms developing after midnight. So closer to about 12 to 3 in the morning will probably be your best shot at seeing more of those showers and storms starting to develop. Eventually, a line of storms forms back off to the west, and this will push right toward the Metroplex very quickly as well. By about 4 or 5 in the morning, you can see this line moves into the North Texas. You could see maybe a potential storm being strong or severe closer to areas like Sherman or as well as even Denton County. Could start to see maybe an isolated severe storm or two move through the region. And eventually, by about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, just after sunrise, this will all move off to our east, and we should all dry out by about 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow. And really, I'm going to be honest with you, this will not be it for some of us. We might actually see some snow, and that might shock you, but taking a look at the future radar after this moves through our area, you can see by about 12 o'clock Saturday, we'll stay dry through most of the afternoon and evening hours, but you can see maybe some snow back off to the northwest. Don't be shocked if you see some snowflakes falling. Now, due to the fact that there will be a lot more dry air in between the 0 to 1,000 foot range in the atmosphere, that will likely have a lot of these snowflakes that do fall out of the sky evaporate in between that range. So there's a chance that a lot of these snowflakes don't even reach the ground, which could result in most likely not seeing much of any accumulation if you are to see a snow shower move through your area. So do not be shocked. About 20% of us will see it north of I-20. So definitely keep that in mind. This will all move through our region, primarily during the late evening hours into the overnight hours, and that will eventually move off to our east. And we will have a very chilly waking up on Sunday morning. These are the feel-like temperatures across North Texas Sunday morning. It's going to feel as cold as it felt in February, at least for Sunday morning. We'll start to warm up throughout the week, but you can see temperatures, again, going to be feeling like single digits across many areas. You can see even going just over the just north of the Red River, -1 degrees will be your feel-like temperature if you're just north of the Red River. So again, very cold morning coming up for Sunday. You will definitely need a fleece jacket, and just make sure you're aware of that because that's going to be a frigid morning. Here's your latest 7-day forecast. You can see, again, temperatures, the warmest day of the week will obviously be today and maybe tomorrow. We will see that cold front come through around 3 o'clock or so tomorrow, so keep that in mind. The temperatures will drop off rapidly once that moves through from the 70s into the 30s very quickly with that Arctic cold air coming through. We'll see temperatures very steadily rise right back up closer to the low 60s by Tuesday. We'll eventually go right back into the 50s and 40s for highs Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. This forecast is brought to you by All Dents Repair.